black yo magic, 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 black yo magic, that black yo magic.
My name is girl Samia. No, Yasmin. Hi, welcome to our channel. Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, this week's video is I did turning my niece into me. I just did everyday makeup on her. What's your name?
Samia.
Who are you?
Yasmin.
Yeah. Who am I to you?
Niece.
You're my niece. I'm your?
And has my auntie. Fela Light.
We're actually wearing kind of like the same outfit. Do you want to show them your shirt? See, we're like matching. Do we look alike? I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye bye.
You want to say a story? You want to tell me a story?
How years old are you?
Me?
1 and 16 years old.
16 years old.
Yeah.
You're lying to me.
This woman knows.
Not now. When we're almost finishing, like you put for yourself. You put for yourself or I put for you?
I put myself.
Any story? Oh. Huh? What school do you go to?
Light Academy.
Close your eyes. I want you to look up like that. There.
I know you'll not hurt me. Because clever girl. Because I'm clever girl.
Yeah.
So tiny.
You're so tiny?
Yeah. But I am not even
Close your eye.
years old. 1 year old. The purple one.
Close your eye.
Why are you doing that?
Remove all the excess product.
Oh, you left this one for this
You
one.
will close later. Which one do you want?
I want
This one?
golden. That's golden.
Yeah, I want pink.
Golden.
You want golden?
Yeah. The other ones. That other
those are-
one's with powder. Powder's for babies.
You're not a baby.
I'm still a baby, but when I become big and big and big, then Elias, I'll not be a baby.
I want you to do this. Yeah. Kissy face. Yeah. Look at yourself. Do you like the way you look?
I can't see.
Wow.
Is this like my face becomes light? Where do you put this? Where do you put this one?
Just
Here.
place up there. Yeah. Just place. This one is called
Go.
blush.
Plus.
Okay, now it's for the fun part.
In my face.
Look up. Up.
That's called.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Not everywhere. There. That's it. Okay, now for lipstick.
Can you do the lipstick?
Do
Buddies can do makeup light.
Huh?
Buddies.
Who's a baddie, bro?
They
There we go. Thanks for watching.
See you guys later. So, good night. See you later.